What's up, guys? This is Dirt Bike Crazy, and we're gonna be doing some tricks. Almost fell. Here we go. He's first. We got a little ollie. Okay, I like it. And if you can tell, we're shooting HD with a VTEC. Oh, I like that switch. Here, let me do a trick. Okay, let me see. Like that ollie. I can do that. Whoa, now Trent's coming back because I don't know any more tricks. What do you call that? This is the easiest trick in the whole book. Woohoo! And he almost fell. It's kind of raining out there. Yeah. So it's going to be slippery. Let me show you this. I got a half pipe, guys. What a boom and a bang! Tech deck half pipe. Oh yeah, and I have a tech deck that's the same exact thing as my board. See, look at that. Cool, right? Look at this and then look at my board. That's awesome, guys. So much we love skating. So he's gonna hit a few more tricks. He might pull out the ramp right quick. We wanna do some stuff on this. Go. Oh. Here's a ramp. He's gonna hit some tricks on that probably. No clue what that is. That was pretty baller. I don't even know if I got that on camera, but I did. He's gonna probably roll off this ramp someday today. Here we go. Here, now he's gonna get with me and I'm gonna do a rolling ollie. I haven't done one in like forever. I haven't done a rolling ollie.